A month ago, I'm going to my husband, I don't know what to do with this thing. I don't know where to begin with this thing. I can't take it anymore. The guy who did my patio, he was a power washer, but he was not a paver guy. And that's where the problem came, because I spent $1,800, and within 6 months, it was a disaster area. And then when I called again, he says, your patio was a nightmare, and nobody would touch it. That was the words he said to me. I had one company come in here telling me 15 grand, and I had to ask him to leave. Then I get another one who comes in here and wants to tell me for $4,800, I can do it, but nobody will touch it. I go, all right, so maybe we got to get this one. I never heard from him again. I wanted a paving company. I have pavers. I need someone to deal with pavers. I don't need someone to wash my pavers. I need someone to cure them, to keep them healthy looking, to make my patio look the way it should look when it was first done. Honest to God, I was lucky to find Perfect Pavers because I was at a dilemma. I really didn't know what to do here. And I was looking up and I was saying to myself, there's nobody who does just pavers. I called you. Mary said to me, I'm using Google. I have an aerial search of my patio. I didn't have to have anybody come, which I found was very impressive. That was one impressive thing I found. I called her again. I says, I think I would like someone to come here and at least look at it. She got Ethan here. Ethan did my backyard like he was doing his backyard. That's how much he loved the patio, that you could just see when he was doing it, he wanted it to be perfect. Like, you know, he put his heart and soul into it. And in all honesty, that's how you want somebody to work at your house. You've made it really look like brand new. It looks like I put a new paver down. That's what it looks like. It looks like I went and did that $15,000 job of what that guy wanted. This has made a big difference in my life as far as enjoying my life in Florida. I'm very pleased, and anybody who asks me has been told it's Perfect Pavers.